No alarm clocks, no stress, no worries. If that sounds like something you're interested in, hey, I'm Jamie Williams, and this is the RiddlesBendMedia channel. Here, we're all about getting your time and getting your financial future back on track. Hey, let's talk about that. With the inflation at 8.3, and they're talking about it going higher by the end of the year, maybe possible up to 10, they're talking about a recession maybe in the first quarter of 2023. Hey, that's got to get everybody worried, because when the inflation goes up, it's going to cost you more. It's going to cost you more if you carry a credit card balance. It's going to cost you more if you got it on your mortgage. And even now, a lot of people ain't going to qualify just because the interest rates are going up. So, and if you would like to make an extra 100 or an extra 200 or maybe 1,000, or even replace your salary, and you're ready to fire your boss and start your own business, hey, we got you. Today, if any of this sounds like something that you may be interested in, if we can help you in any way, just remember, you need the training. Forget cut and paste. You need to know how to do it. So if you see something, out there saying, hey, I'll give you my funnel, I'll give you a seven-figure, I don't know if they did. I don't know if they didn't. All I know is you need to know how to do that in order to make your business grow. So we got the training, we got the advisor, and the mentors to help you along the way. We can make sure you don't mess up, but just think about it. What would you do with an extra 200, maybe 300, or even maybe $1,000 extra a week? Or even maybe you get this going and you replace your salary and you can fire your boss. You can say, hey, I'm done. My business is off the ground. That could happen. All you need is about, I'd say, 12 months to make sure you get everything dialed in. Then you can turn this thing into passive income where you're making money while you're asleep. There's nothing better than waking up in the morning, check your email, and say, hey, congratulations, you got a commission. That's what we all look for who do affiliate marketing. And just think, if maybe you're already doing affiliate marketing, but you're struggling. Maybe you didn't get the right training, or you didn't get enough. Hey, we can help you. We can give you the right training. We can help you along the way. So if you're already doing it, but you're struggling, hey, just click the first link in the description. We can help you also. And if you're trying to start an e-commerce, like a Shopify store, or a big commerce, you want to do either one, hey, we can help you with that. Doesn't matter what the niche, doesn't matter what it is, doesn't matter the product you want to sell, we can help you. If you just want to be a blogger, we can help you with that. If you just want to start a website and start your own blogging, hey, we can help you with that. Doesn't matter what it is, we can help you. So, and if you're worried about writing content, we got, I've done stuff for High Riders and Riders Access. So, I've done reviews on them, and I got the links in the description in case you need help with that kind of stuff. So don't worry. Don't think about, oh man, I got to do all this. I said, it takes a little time, but you can do it because we all do it. And if you're working, you got your 9-to-5 job, and you're worrying about, hey, I don't know if I got the time. Hey, how you think everybody gets started? Everybody gets started by keeping their 9-to-5, working, then because they're trying to build a business. So you need the income. But it doesn't take a lot. It just takes a lot, some of your time and effort. But if this sounds like something you're interested in, hey, don't hesitate. Click the first link in the description. And just remember, affiliate marketing is all you're doing is driving traffic to the product, and there's no shipping, there's no customer service, there's no maintaining products. All you're doing is driving traffic, and we teach you how to do all that. So don't worry, don't get stressed out, don't panic. We got it. If any of this sounds like something you may be interested in, just click the first link. We'll get you training, get your own advisor, and we'll get you going and get this mind right here change from employee to an employer. So that is going to help you down the road. But affiliate marketing is probably one of the easiest things to do as far as starting your online business. It's not what I say super simple, but it's something you can do basically in your spare time while you work your 9 to 5 job. So, all you need is a couple hours. If you got an hour in the afternoon each day, maybe a few more on Saturday, hey, you'll be golden. You'll have this thing up, working, and dialed in no time. But it does take a little time, a little effort, And if if you see anybody says, "Hey, you're gonna make $10,000, join this," in the first month, don't. They're just trying to sell you something. I said, it takes time. It's like any business. I don't care if it's brick and mortar business or an online business. It takes time. You got to get it. You got to get it going. You got to get it figured out. You got to know how to do stuff, and that's where the training comes in. So, so just don't go for all that fake stuff, and don't look for cut and paste because you're not going to learn anything. It may get you started faster, but you're not going to be able to maintain it or fix it or change it, because you're using basically somebody else's funnel that they pre-done for you. So just keep that in mind. We want you successful, so, like I said, if you got any questions, and if there's anything we can do for you to help you, even if you're already in affiliate marketing and you need help because you're struggling, you didn't get the right training or no training, we can help you. But I hope to see you next week. And don't forget, with the way things are right now, everything's high.